Welcome to our first episode of You Gotta Eat Here.
What are we going to be making today?
We're gonna be making French toast.
For who?
Our mother.
And why is that?
Because it's Mother's Day.
Isn't that sweet? So what is the first step for making French toast?
The first step is you need to wash your hands.
Okay, show us how it's done. Alright, of course the next step will be to gather your ingredients. So where we have these fine premium eggs, grade A, medium size. We have our organic cane sugar straight from Australia. We're going to start from scratch, so we have our ground cinnamon, milk, and of course we can't forget, oh, that's a lemon extract, we don't want that. Pure vanilla extract, that's what we want right there. Alright, so now we'll get started on the custard. That'll be step 3. Next step, we're going to go ahead and start on this custard. So 1 egg will go into this bowl. Of course, cracked. You tried it.
Does that look good?
Open it up. Oh.
Now let's go put these things in the garbage.
Next step, we're going to put some cinnamon in the egg. Chugga 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 chugga. Okay. Next, we're gonna add some vanilla. We're going to add 3 dashes of vanilla. 1 dash. 2 dash. 3 dash.
It smells horrible.
Says our master chef. Next, we're going to add just as much sugar as we did cinnamon.
Should we use the big side or... Wait, hold on. Should we use the big side or the small side?
I think we should use that side. Okay. Now we're going to add 2 dashes of milk. You know what? I seen your last dash. We're going to add 1 dash of milk. What do you think we have to do now?
Stir it. Oh, and don't you mention we have Roxy.
This is our cheerleader.
And plus our vacuum cleaner. Well, now we decided to add some food coloring.
And why is that?
Because it's Mother's Day.
And
plus, it's like love.
red represents love.
So, how many drops should we put in there?
How much do you love your mom?
5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And take that as a 10. 10. Okay. Make sure you don't get none on your hands, because if you get some on your hands, they're going to stay there forever.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you got to stir. Make sure to get it all everywhere. And you want to make sure that you get that goopy stuff. Like that. That's to let you know when you're done. Ooh, we got a little yolk there.
Touch the pan. You'll need about a 10-inch skillet and butter.
Butter.
You know, I was about to go with the original butter, but you know, we got a little countryside to us. We're gonna go ahead and get that churn style. Churn style butter. You don't need too much now, you hear? Just about this much.
That looks like a lot.
Put it up in there. So currently I have on 8. But that's just, you know, get the butter melted. Once the butter get melted, we're gonna turn it down to about 4, 5. Then we're gonna see how we're gonna do. So right now we in our waiting period. And next step, we can go ahead and get the bread ready. Make sure you got enough bread, feed the whole family. Today we have honey wheat. Probably best to use white bread, but we got honey wheat. We're gonna work with what we got with it.
Okay, I think that's good.
Okay, butter's melted. Turned it down a little bit. So now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna get this custard onto the bread. How do you think we're gonna do that?
We need the bread, of course.
Go ahead, open that up. Take one slice. Put that somewhere.
Okay, that's good.
Take your mighty clampers. Grab the bread on the corner. Alright, dip one side. The whole side. The whole front. Okay. Let it soak. Move it around. Flip it. Let it soak. Move it around. Okay. Move the bowl closer to the pan. Let's get that bread in the pan without making a mess.
Hopefully this thing does not break.
Oh, don't. You're not supposed to spill the custard.
Clean up on aisle 7.
It's okay. We're going to make more custard.
Yeah. Well, that's cooking. I'm going to go get a napkin.
All right, you do that. Now we got some extra custard we're working with. So, like I said, it's made of mostly egg. So it's just going to cook like an egg, you know. We're going to check her sides just as if it was making a pancake. It's not ready yet, so we're just going to keep letting it sit there. The egg is ready, obviously. But, you know, we don't want all that extra egg, so we're just going to cut it off. Butter's
Ooh,
gonna make
maybe we should make her some eggs too.
that is something we can think about. See that?
Mm-hmm.
All that buttery goodness.
Buttery.
I might go ahead and get rid of this extra egg. Let's go ahead and flip this. Get a good close shot on that. That is greatness. We're gonna let the other side cook, and we're gonna have ourselves some French toast. Now we got this. We got the French toast on the plate. We're gonna work on our plating. Having a little gourmet meal here. Just go ahead and sprinkle some of that parsley on.
On the toast?
On the toast. You have to grind it.
Oh.
Just a little bit, not too much. All right.
Now, for the access.
Okay. Next, we're gonna go ahead and work on these sausages. Add some more food for the palate. And what's she gonna drink?
Oh. Maybe. Do they say wine in the morning is the greatest?
It can be.
Arizona.
That's very gourmet. And now, for the finishing touches for the service. Now it is ready to be served. We'll be right back.
Happy Mother's Day! And welcome to You Gotta Eat Here.
Oh my, oh my cheese. So look at
You're welcome.
oh, am I on You Gotta Eat Here?
Yeah.
We'll be needing a review.
This is a review?
So how do you like the design?
Oh my goodness. This is, sorry for the way I look. This is unique. This is different. I see I have the sausage here. I have, I'm sorry. So what's this? So what's this?
Oh, that is French toast.
Oh, French toast. It's a different color.
Yeah, it's red.
Oh, it's French.
No, wait, it's French toast and the color is red.
Okay, wow. I cannot wait to try this. Good. That's good. Different, but good. Okay, wow. Let me taste my sausage. Is that what this is?
Yes.
Okay. Did you make this? Who made this?
Me.
Oh my goodness.
And plus with a little help of an expert.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's good. Good combination. Thank you so much. That is just, wow, what a day to start my Mother's Day. Thank you. And you're only 9 years old and you cook like this?
Yes.
That's really good.
And now we gotta make our own breakfast.
And to the man standing behind the camera, thank you too, because I know you had some input in this as well.
Yeah, show your face.
In assisting the little one here.
No problem.
Thank you. Oh, thank you both. Thank you.
Action.
And come back to You Gotta Eat Here. And see.